Welcome to our wildlife series. Today we are going to discuss about lions, the king of jungle, but a king without throne. Lions are carnivores, scavengers, and apex predators. Lions eat antelope, buffalo, zebras, warthogs, wildebeest, birds, hares, and sometimes turtle and fishes. Weighing up to 500 pounds and growing up to 10 feet long, they have maximum speed of 81 km per hour and leap as far as 36 feet. Lions are the second largest member of cat family after tigers. There are two big and sharp teeth inside upper and lower jaw of lion. The lion uses them to kill its prey. The lion's tongue is as rough as a sandpaper. It is covered in tiny spines which faces backwards and are used to scrape meat from bones. These spines makes the tongue so rough that if a lion licked the back of your hand only a few times, you would be left without any skin. Lion can spend 5 days without water, but they need to eat daily. On average, a lion eats up to 20 kg meat per day. Lions are the only cat that live in groups. A group of lions living together is called pride. There can be up to 40 lions in a pride, depending on how much food and water is available. They are the laziest of all cats and can sleep from 16 to 20 hours daily. So their favorite way of life is eat, sleep, and repeat. Female lions are the main hunters. While they are out looking for food, the male guards the pride's territory and their young ones. Let's talk about their hunting skills. Lions are not particularly known for their stamina. Lions run quickly in short bursts and need to be very close to their prey before starting the attack. Lions do not shy to hunt in daylight, but they usually prefer to hunt at night. As their eyes have adapted to the dark, and of course, other animals are either resting or in relaxed mood. This helps them to get closer to target easily and deliver sort of Batista bomb. The lion's attack is short and powerful. They attempt to catch prey with fast rush and final leap. They usually pull it down by round. When a prey has been caught and successfully brought down, lions will strangulate their prey. They will either clamp their jaws to its throat or clamp the muzzle of prey. A throat clamp will prevent the blood and oxygen flow to the brain, resulting in unconsciousness and finally death. In a muzzle clamp, lions will prevent respiration of prey by engulfing their nose or mouth entirely in their jaws. This too results in suffocation and ultimately death. Throughout the process, the lion pins its prey to the ground A single adult lion is capable of hunting small prey such as zebras and wildebeest. Whereas, while hunting bigger prey like buffalo and giraffe, some members will pin the prey to ground, while the stronger member will suffocate it by above discussed methods. Lions typically consume prey at the location of hunt, but sometimes they drag large prey into the cover. Large kills are shared more widely among pride members. Even though the female lions do the hunting, the male lions often gets to eat first.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
A group or pride typically have one dominant male, but may sometimes have 2 or 3 leading males at a time. The rest of pride's adult members are females, and they are often closely related to one another, like sister, aunt, niece, cousin, daughter, granddaughter, etc. Lions' cub grew very fast. In fact, they reached size of their mother in almost 1 year. Young males are driven out of the pride at the age of 2.5 to 3 years. After being driven out, the young ones often make alliance and help one another to hunt and gain strength. On getting fully grown, they find a pride with weak or older dominant male. By outnumbering the weaker male, they drive him out and sometimes kill him. After winning a pride, the newly formed dominant male kills all the cubs in the pride. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. It helps them to communicate with their fellow lions and, of course, to communicate their territory to the potential predators. A lion has a good hearing. Enhanced by movable ears, they can adjust to the direction from where the noise is coming and hence easily hear from mile away. Lions are not afraid of water. They are excellent swimmers. That's why sometimes they eat tortoise, fishes, and crocodiles too. Lions usually mark their territory by leaving their scent through rubbing trees and using their beak to create the border. Lions have been admired throughout the history for a symbol of courage and strength. But why? Well, if you are thinking because male lions has multiple wives, or male lion is brave enough to force female lions for hunting and doing rest most of the time,
It doesn't matter what you think.
the male lion's mane is the most recognizable feature of the species. It starts growing when lions are about a year old. Mane color varies and darkens with age. Research shows its color and size are influenced by environmental factors. The lion's main competitor for prey is spotted hyena. Lions typically ignore hyenas unless they are on a kill or are being harassed by hyenas. Hyenas frequently challenge lions and steal their kills. When confronted on a kill by lions, spotted hyenas may either leave or wait patiently at a distance of 30 to 100 meters until the lions have finished. Similarly, it is also common for lions to subsist largely on kills stolen from hyenas, causing the hyenas to increase their kill rate. Lions live for 10 to 14 years when they are in a wild. When they are captured, they can live longer than 20 years. In wild, males do not usually live longer than 10 years. This is because wounds from fighting with other males make their life shorter. In zoos, lions have been bred with tigers to create hybrids for the curiosity of visitors and for scientific purposes. One type of hybrid breed is called liger, while the other one is called tigon. The liger is a hybrid offspring of a male lion and a female tiger. The liger has parents in same genus but of different species. They enjoy swimming, which is characteristics of tiger, and are very sociable like lions. Ligers typically grow larger than either parent species and weigh around 710 pounds to 1210 pounds. A tigon is the hybrid offspring of a male tiger and a female lion. They exhibit visible characteristics from both parents. They can have both spots from mother and stripes from father. They do not exceed the size of their parent species and weigh around 400 pounds. Friends, nearly all wild lions live in Africa, below the Sahara Desert. But one small population exists around Gir Forest National Park in western India. Lions are currently listed as vulnerable on International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). They have undergone a catastrophic range of reduction and have declined to only about 20,000. In order to get more interesting and informative videos, do subscribe our channel now and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.